In this video, I'll guide you through some easy solutions to fix the no media device error. First, we'll try to fix any file system errors. Right-click on your troubled USB drive. Go to Properties. Navigate to the Tools tab. Click Check. Select Scan and Repair option and let the process complete. Next, we'll try rescanning the disk. Open Disk Management. Go to Actions and click Rescan Disks. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. If those methods didn't work, let's update or reinstall the device driver. Open Device Manager. Expand the disk drive section. Right-click on your USB drive. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Restart your computer after the update is complete. That's it. These methods should help resolve the no media device error in most cases. If you're still having trouble, click on the link in description to try these additional tips.